Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the gradient vector. So now I will show you how to answer. Here is about the formula in here. So this is about partial derivative. So we need to find first derivative of f with respect to s. So we do first derivative of this one. So first derivative of ln sy, we have y over sy minus 3s to the power of 2. If we do y in here, we have s over sy. Because we don't have y, that's a you got about 0 in here. Now we simplify y and y, s and s. Now we have negative number 1 and positive number 1. So we put negative number 1 in here, positive number 1 in here. So we calculate about this one. We have negative number 4. This one we have positive number 1. And this is the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.